The question says that a short bar magnet placed with its axis at 30 degree with a uniform external magnetic field of 0.25 Tesla experiences a torque of magnitude equal to 4.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 joule. What is the magnitude of magnetic moment of the magnet? Now in this question there is a bar magnet that has been placed in the magnetic field and it is making a 30 degree angle due to the influence of the torque that this magnetic field is putting on this bar magnet. Now we have to find out what is the magnetic moment of this magnet. Torque equals to mb sine theta. Now in this question we have been given the torque on magnet, that is we have been given this value tau, theta we have been given, and we have been given the magnitude of magnetic field, that is b. So we only need to find out m, where m stands for magnetic dipole moment of this bar magnet. Now putting all those values in the given equation, we will get the value of m as 0.36 ampere meter square. Thank you.